In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add a Typeform to your WordPress site in just a few minutes. This process is straightforward and will allow you to seamlessly integrate interactive forms and surveys into your website, enhancing user engagement and collecting important data. So, let's dive in. First, head on over to the Typeform website. If you're not already familiar with Typeform, it's a user-friendly platform designed to help you create attractive forms and surveys with ease. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. You can do this by clicking on the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login details, and you'll be directed to your Typeform workspace. Next, navigate to your Typeform workspace. This is the central hub where all your forms are stored, allowing you to manage and edit them as needed. Take a moment to glance through your existing forms, and when you're ready, select the form you wish to add to your WordPress site. This selection is crucial because it's the form your visitors will interact with, so ensure it's polished and ready for viewership. Once you've selected your form, it's time to move to the sharing options. To do this, locate the Share button, usually along the top navigation. Clicking this will open up various options for sharing your Typeform. You'll find an option that says Embed Form, and that's what we need for WordPress. After selecting Embed Form, you'll see a snippet of HTML code. This is the key to integrating your Typeform with WordPress. Copy this embed code carefully. It's a small piece of script that contains all the necessary instructions for your form to appear on your website. Now, let's switch gears and move to your WordPress dashboard. You'll want to decide exactly where you'd like the Typeform to appear on your website. Is it on a specific page, post, or maybe even your homepage? Navigate to the desired location within WordPress's visual editor or block editor, depending on which version you're using. Once you're in the editor, look for an option to add custom HTML. In the block editor, this can be done by adding a new block and selecting Custom HTML. Paste your Typeform embed code here. If you're using the classic editor, switching to the text view will allow you to paste the HTML code directly into the content. Click Save, and voila! Your Typeform should now be live on your WordPress site. Go ahead and preview the page to ensure everything is displaying perfectly. This quick and easy integration will make capturing user input smoother than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.